know, what's the difference between our planet and every other planet? It's water. 70% of the earth covered by water. Our bodies, 60% made up by water. Our blood, over 80% water. Our lungs, 90% water. Everything about us is based on water. Our bones, 23% water. Here's the interesting thing. I've never studied water, and you know what? I figured it was about time since I'm in the hot water industry, but one thing I've learned is this. We tend to live dry. That's right, we live dry. But our bodies respond almost magically when wet. Let me give you three things. The first thing you need to know is when you immerse yourself in water, you become free from gravity. Perhaps the only place on Earth you can become free from gravity, unless you work for NASA, is in water. And as a result of that, it changes everything as it relates to the physiology of your body. It offloads any pressure on your joints. It relaxes your muscles. It takes tension and dissolves it naturally. Not only that, there's something called hydrostatic pressure. You see, when you're immersed in water that's denser than the human body, what ends up happening is it actually applies pressure evenly around your body. And in doing so, it actually makes your circulatory system more efficient. I don't know if you knew this or not. You've got 60,000 miles of veins, arteries, and capillaries that run throughout your body. And many of you right now are experiencing some colder weather, and guess what? It means cold hands, cold feet, and as a result of that, no soup for you. No circulation means none of the good stuff in, none of the bad stuff out. As a result, it's the way that every bit of your living tissue receives its nourishment and also cleansing. It's critical. So number one, the density of water frees you from gravity. Number two, the hydrostatic pressure actually improves your entire circulatory system, bringing health and wellness throughout your body. And here's the third bit of the magic. It has to do with transferring of heat or cold in water. So you know water transfers that 25 times faster than does just being in air. Listen, you don't have time to warm up by cranking up the thermostat in your house. You need to get in the hot tub. Your body doesn't have time to loosen those muscles and stretch without sitting in the hot tub. Your body only transfers heat about 4 times faster than air. Hot tubs do it 25 times faster than air. And oh, by the way, what does it do for your circulation system? You sit in 90-degree water, and it only improves your circulation by 30%. You sit in 104-degree water, it'll improve your circulation by 120%. You get warm like that when you sit in hot water, and it allows everything in your body to function better, quicker. Listen, we live dry. We gotta recover wet. I can guarantee you this one thing. However you get in, you don't get out the same.